One of the joys or fulfillment points in my life is the ability or the opportunity to do the CRG certification. People come to learn about the tools, but they actually in many ways learn about themselves more so than the tools themselves. You know, a lot of people have asked me, you know, Ken, where did you come from? I mean, my background is I actually grew up on a dairy farm. That's hardly anything to do with professional development. We have individuals from all around the world attend the session. And at the end of the 3 days, these individuals who've attended the session, they become tight friends. They get to know each other at a deeper level. We have about an 80% switch rate from other personality assessments once they learn about the CRG model and the PSI model and how it's different. I might have this great car, but if I have no gas in the engine or the wheels have the air let out of the tires, then I'm not going to get the full picture. I'm not going to have a high performance automobile if I don't have all the components operating correctly and optimized. And so really what we're trying to do with individuals, because it doesn't matter if it's a team building or an organizational or OD work, is that it's individuals that make up any group or any company. And so we help that whole individual develop completely in a holistic approach. And because our tools are developed together as a system, then they're congruent. I'd like to personally invite you to find out more about certification and how certification can serve you. Some of you might be ready to register right now, so just go to the registration page and join us for the next event or an event that works for you. But others, you want to find out more information. What are the details? What's the content? How might it serve you? And make sure that this is the right decision for you. So I just want to encourage you that you would go take that action now. Phone us, email us, Facebook, contact us on social media so that you can find out more on how CRG certification can serve you.